In our modern life, car can be dusted quickly on the road, so the best car cleaning gel is required for a car owner to complete a car wash. Many times we use a wet pipe or soap to clean off all the dust. We also use car wash soap, wax, microfiber cloth for cleaning. Car detailing gel can help to clean the places, but rags and paper towels can't do this. The best gels are those that are used easily. Without applying pressure, they can reach the hard area where very tough to reach. A good container is needed to keep them clean and prevent drying. It can last for long periods if it can be kept in the container. We can reuse it over and over. We can detail car personally, or we can hire a detailer to do our job. When we choose car cleaning products, we should select eco-friendly products. We need to avoid harsh chemical products. Annan Krog Best Car Cleaning Gel. It is one of the best cleaners. We can use this gel for car cleaning space that is hard to reach. For removing dust, the gel should be pressed by car vent cleaner. This gel is not harmful to the skin and environment. It has a nice smell. It is a biodegradable gel. This gel is used many times. It can be used until the color turns black. After using, we should keep it in a dry place. This gel can clean all the car areas as well as home and office. Advantages: it can be used in different places. It is not harmful to the environment. Using this gel is not tough. It is very cheap. We can buy it with a limited budget. This gel is very effective. It can clean nicely. After cleaning, the car becomes new. It has a slight fragrance. 3. It leaves no residue. It can be used easily. It works perfectly. It can clean the dust and keyboard nicely. It has no harsh chemicals, so it is friendly with our environment. Disadvantages: it is not suitable for cleaning screens and TVs. Performance is not at a satisfactory level. It does not work as advertised. It does not pick up dust as advertised. Conclusion: in the market, we can find different types of car care products from different manufacturers for car cleaning. Chemical Guys and Magyar are top-class manufacturers in the world. They are also used as car interior cleaners. After using, I have found that the Annan Krog car cleaning gel is the best car cleaning gel than other cleaning gel due to its quality, cleaning ability, and long-lasting. Most of the important things that almost all customers are happy to use this Annan Krog car cleaning gel to clean car.